Good afternoon, friends. Important news for all of us together. Honorable CBIC Chairperson recently said on the eve of 6 years celebration of GST from July 1, 2017. He said that there are many fake registration they have found in their special drive all India against fake registration. Around 12,500 plus fake registration has been found. Secondly, he has said that these unscrupulous persons are taking fake registration by misusing PAN card and Aadhaar card of other person, specifically from economically weaker class. So this All India drive is on, which will continue till 15th of July 2023. So now CBIC is planning to implement two important parameters: biometric Aadhaar authentication and geotagging of address location for which registration is being taken. We all know that this biometric Aadhaar authentication and geotagging of address for which registration is being taken is being launched as a pilot project for some state like Gujarat, and CBIC is evaluating the outcome and result. Further, it is being stated by CBIC chairperson that they have come across the major sector who are involved in fake registrations are those who are into metal scrap, plastic scrap, waste paper. Even for the service industry, there are two important sectors: supply of manpower services or advertising services. They are being found engaged in fake registration and passing on the fake credit to the buyer, to the recipient. Alongside, there will be tightening. They are going to tighten our GST return filing system as well to ensure that this fake firm is not being able to pass on fake credit, and thereby as a deterrent to curb tax evasion. Government is losing a lot of revenue. And after 15th July 2023, once this special drive is over, we will come to know that how many fake registration they have got in this special drive. It is now planning for the CBIC that whenever they found that some registered firm or company is suspicious, they will ask them to go compulsorily for biometric Aadhaar authentication. What they have to do? They have to go to Aadhaar center and get their biometric Aadhaar authentication done. Even geotagging, in case they found that the place of business is suspicious, not correct, fake, then they will make it compulsory, mandatory, though it is as a pilot project, but way forward it would be compulsorily, mandatorily geotagging of address, location of business, principal place of business, and way forward additional place of business would be required to be done by registered person who found to be suspicious or those who want to take fresh registration. So of course, to curb such unscrupulous person, who are taking fake registration and passing on fake credit. These are the mechanisms CBIC is working and planning to implement. It's a good news. Of course, these tax evaders and fake person must be removed, must be cut off from our GST ecosystem. They have spoiled total GST ecosystem. And because of them, the problem is being faced by genuine and honest registered person. It must be done. We are on the side of government. And we have seen many fake registration can't be tolerated. We have to take them on task and strict action required against them. They should be punished heavily. That is what we are talking about from genuine and honest taxpayer. We require free and fair GST ecosystem. Credit in the hands of buyer and recipient is being denied because someone in supply chain, maybe L1 or L2, has taken fake registration for which there is no information in the hands of buyer or recipient. And credit is being denied for the buyer or recipient just because there is L1 in the supply chain or L2 in supply chain who has taken the fake registration. Of course, these measures are going to done away. These unscrupulous person, they would be removed from the GST ecosystem. That will really give the advantage, because credit in the hands of buyer and recipient will not be denied. In the hands of genuine and honest buyer will not be denied because of these unscrupulous person in our supply chain. So we have to be ready whether we have done Aadhaar authentication or not. Please, biometric Aadhaar authentication, before it is made compulsory, please get it done. It is for our advantage. If we have get it done, then of course government can check and verify, and that will ease your process and will not be 11th hour last minute situation for all of us. Though geotagging of location, address, location, place of business is not compulsory at the moment, there is no harm. If we are genuine and honest buyer, we must follow the same, and we can also get it done. In description box, we are mentioning the process which is being prescribed on GST and Common Portal. How you can get your biometric Aadhaar authentication and geotagging of your place of business. It is important for all of us to have free and fair, seamless flow of credit GST ecosystem. Stay tuned, subscribe yourself so that you get notified whenever new video is posted from our side. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.